Hi, this is Grace. Today we're going to make spam musubi. First, you will need cooked rice. I use nishiki rice and rice cooker. But if you don't have one, you can follow the cooking directions. Honestly, I've never tried. Rice cooker is much easier. Here I have 3 cups of cooked rice. Divide them to 6 portions. I use less sodium spam, but you can use any kind of spam. Cut the spam in half, and then cut the half into 6 slices. Ideally, you want to cut them to same thickness, but don't stress yourself. It's okay to have uneven pieces. Turn on medium heat and put the spam into a flat pan. In the meantime, let's prepare some sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of sugar, and half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix them well to combine. Now it's time to flip the spam and fry the other side. Add the sauce to the pan. Flip the spam one more time to achieve an even glaze. Now you can take them out of the pan onto a small plate. Take 2 sheets of nori and fold them into thirds. Again, don't worry that they're not perfectly divided. Gently break them apart into 6 pieces. Now we're ready to assemble the musubi. Take a rather large sheet of plastic wrap and put it into the spam can. I use the spam can as a rice mold. Firmly press the rice down until the top is flat. Now add 1 piece of the grilled spam on top of the rice. Grab the side of the plastic wrap and take the rice ball out of the container. Take 1 piece of nori and check. One side is smoother than the other. Use the less smooth side down to wrap the rice ball. The spam musubi is done. You can also wrap it and take it to a picnic. Thanks for watching. See you next time.